attaches with these headrest hooks, so you just attach these behind your headrest. On the bottom, you have these anchors that you can tuck into your seat so they stay in place, even if the kids or your dogs are getting a little excited. There's a seat skirt on the bottom for extra protection, so it has elastic to keep it in place as well. You just drape that around. Do this on the other side. Straps going. Tighten it up. Get this anchor in. Then we are good to go. Easy as that.
So the dry rub is all on my bench seat here, and you can have it solid, so if you have your pets, but then if you need to get your seat belt, you just unvelcro and you can strap it in. So that's pretty cool, where you have the ability to do both. Awesome product, dry rub.